Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So take the paper cuttings like this and paste it on the white sheet. Now draw the lines over it using the black marker as shown in this video. Draw some dots and lines as we are drawing. Now take the colorful red and black paper like this and paste them. Make the ladybird by making its eyes. Draw its wings using the red color paper. Put some black color clay over it. Make few more as such like this and your painting or the craft is ready. Next, take a green color sheet and then cut it out by drawing the lines over it. Now take the red color clay, make small fishes out of it like this and then paste it over the black sheet and it's ready. Next, take a basket cutting out of the paper and paste it on the sheet. Now put some water droplets using the clay. Now make a line and then paste some dress pieces like this over it. Here we are making the drying clothes on the sun like this. Make some socks around it. Now make a sun on the top like this and your painting is ready. Next, take a yellow cutting and paste it on the white sheet. Draw the figure like this. Now draw the lines on it and then put some cuttings like this of the kitchen utensils and then put it and it's ready. Next, take a brown sheet and draw the white color paper over it like this. Now draw the lines using the green color marker. Now put the blue color using the fingertips like this and make the flowers as shown in the video. Make some clays and then put it like this. Put some paper cuttings of the leaf like this. Make some holes on the clay and it's ready. Next, we will take the cuttings of the leaf like this and paste it on the black sheet. Draw the lines like this. Now we will make the grapes using the purple color clay like this. Make the balls and paste it one by one as shown in the video and your grapes are ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take the brown paper and draw the green paper and stick it like this as shown in the video. Draw the lines using black color marker. Now take the white color clay balls and paste it over the brown sheet like this. Make small balls and paste it and press it like this. Make the flowers as shown in the video and it's ready. Next, take a white sheet and draw the lines using brown or orange color marker to make the fence like this. Now put the brown color paper, apply the glue on the sides and then put the clay on it like this using blue color. After that, press it little bit using the fingers. Now spread the blue color clay, make the stem. Now draw the lines like this over it and then draw the white dots in the between of it like this. Draw the lines on the sides. Now take the red color paper cuttings and paste it like this. Draw the watermelon like this and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.